Here are 5 minutes of kindness to help brighten your day. Here's a clip that proves that kindness can be contagious.
When your boyfriend pulls over and just helps the older guy because all of his wood fell out of his truck. That's so sweet. I found a good one. And another guy. That's so sweet. And another one. There are still some good guys in the world.
This kid got more than he expected while admiring this car.
Take a look. Thank you. Thank you. You can sit inside if you want. It's okay. It's terrible.
Bella.
Ti piace Edoardo?
Mi piace tua macchina.
Grazie.
I'm gonna have to call the police on you.
Pardon?
I'm gonna have to call the police on you.
Why?
You're looking too good. Have a good day.
Thank you. Well, I shall be 100 this year. So
100 this year?
Yeah.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thanks for the compliment.
You take care.
I don't know you, do I?
No, you don't know me.
No,
I'm just being nice to people.
That's good for you. Should be more like you.
This young girl gives her meal to someone sitting outside the restaurant.
Like the mileage.
My girl right here. I love her to bits. She is the best. It's my girl. He's like, oh my god, are you kidding me? I just got steak on the table. Good job, Ella. I think you just made it sweet. How does that make you feel?
I like it.
Here are some clips of athletes and celebrities being kind to their fans and the people around them.
Let's get a ball. Let's find her ball. Jim, I get a ball. Let me get one. Let me get one. Make this. You're welcome. Yes, ma'am.
In this clip, this father finds out that his anonymous kidney donor is actually his daughter.
Oh. It's so good. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's fine. It's okay. It's fine.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, do something to brighten someone else's day.